Buenos dias, good morning everybody. So it is, see what time it is, 9:42. My audition isn't until noon. We don't technically start until 2 o'clock, which is crazy because that's like the latest audition that I've ever had, ever. So I just finished brushing my teeth, putting my sunblock on, you know. I didn't really vlog yesterday because I was just so tired and I was just really trying to connect with my friend. So I'm gonna start getting ready and hopefully I will be out of here by no later than 11 so I can be there perfectly on time by noon. And knowing this LA traffic, you know, you always have to prepare for that extra time. So I will see you guys when I'm all dolled up.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my
up. Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me? You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you. For real? There it is. I'll give it. It's so small. Everybody else got their own view. I know they cannot see what I do. So don't wonder what I got into. What I get into.
She's gonna be famous one day. So you saw it here first. Well guys, today did not happen for me, but that is okay because I cannot be mad at this view right now. So just with anything, like I say, you go and you try it, and if it works out, then push it, do it, kill it, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't change anything. It doesn't define you. I'm certainly not letting it define me. I know who I am as a dancer, I know who I am as a person, my character, and you know, it is what it is, really. So you just gotta roll with it. You gotta be flexible. You gotta not let anything really affect you. Just go in there and do the best you can, and that's really all that you can ask for. So yeah. This concludes the last video for 2018's audition season. I wanted to thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. You guys are the reason I do what I do. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye! I'm here at the beach now on this scooter that's motorized. It's quite hard to do this and selfie at the same time. I wanted you to see the beach I'm at. Beach. So Santa Monica Pier is way behind me. Maybe go there later, I'm not sure. But here I am. Wanted you to see everything. Oh my god, look at that hotel. So nice. Oh, woohoo! Okay. Well, anyways, I'm having a good time. I wish you were here because this is totally something that you and I, as adventure together, adventure time, we'll be doing. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get to it so I don't die.